Hi, this is Brian Callahan, and I'm here today with Carl Loop from Global Business Builders. Good morning, Carl.
Hey, good morning, Brian.
And today we're going to talk about how to develop a lead-generating website, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, then. So if I or any of your clients, say, wanted to develop a website that generated leads and got them business, how would we go about doing that?
Clients come to me often with some needs. The biggest need they have is to get more traffic and traffic that does something on their website. What I developed is this presentation, which talks about how to make the website have more selling power. And I titled this presentation, The 7 Critical Components of a Lead-Generating Website. And these are the needs people come to me with and why they are here when we get together. Nothing's happening on their website. They want more leads. They want more ideal customers. And they want some quick wins to boost results. And ultimately, they want more sales. So the 7 critical components of a lead-generating website start with knowing your prospects. What are their needs? What is on their minds? What problems do they face? What are their priorities? Also, the next step is connecting with that critical problem. Once you understand what it is, then you need to have messages and ultimately a solution that connect with that prospect's problems and their priorities. The third step, calls to action. Often websites don't have a request for someone to do something, and we need to ask what it is we want them to do. What action should that prospect take on the website? And it has to be clear and friction-free. In other words, it can't be confusing or difficult to understand. Play the video, click here, follow this link. Have to make it very clear. Next, we have to capture the lead. If someone comes to your website and you have no mechanism for capturing a lead, then they may click away and be gone for good and never return. But if you've captured that in their name and email information, then you have permission to market to them in the future, remind them of your product or service, and continue the developing of the relationship with that prospect. You have to offer them something that is a strong inducement or a strong incentive of high value to them. Typically it's free, but it must be of high value, seen as high value to that prospect. Okay, next we have to nurture the lead. Once we have that name and email, it's important to follow up with it. So you have to have a good series of emails to contact the customer again in the future, and at the same time provide valuable information to those prospects. You want to position yourself as an expert and a trusted advisor to that prospect. Next, you want to gradually introduce your irresistible offer. You want to show exactly what it is someone gets, build up the value of your offer, perhaps with guarantee or guarantees and bonuses, if possible. Again, state your offer and then give the prospect a reason to act now. You don't want to place your offer out there and just have it sit for people to contemplate for days and weeks and so forth. You want to compel them to act now. And then finally, most important, is to get website traffic. You have to get website traffic to your lead-generating website and start collecting those names and emails and work your leads.
Well, thank you, Carl. Is there a way that people can get a hold of you and possibly to get your assessment of their website?
Absolutely. I can be reached by email, which is carl.loop@gbizbuilders.com. It's also on the presentation. And a phone number where I can be reached directly is 832-491-3243.
Now, this X-ray report that you're doing, is this a free service that you have?
That's a free service. It's up to a 3 or 4 page report where I'll evaluate a customer's website.
That's great. I really appreciate your time today, Carl. Thank you.
Thank you.